Welcome back to 3D Decode. Today we're going to learn how to calculate the required thickness of straight pipe as per ASME B31.3. We'll go step by step through the formula, allowances, mil tolerance, schedule check, and finally use a ready-made Excel calculator to verify if a chosen thickness is okay or not okay. What you'll learn. The core B31.3 formula for pressure design thickness is T equals frac P.D 2.S.E plus P.Y. Where mice P equals design pressure, D equals outside diameter, S equals allowable stress at design temperature, E equals longitudinal weld joint factor, Y equals coefficient from B31.3 tables depends on material, temperature, and TD ratio. Then we add CA, corrosion allowance, A, mechanical allowance, such as threads or grooves. Step-by-step workflow. Step 1, use consistent units P and S in MPa, D in mm, T comes out in millimeter. Step 2, compute net required thickness T. Step 3, add allowances. T rec Greek equals T plus CA plus A. Step 4, account for mil tolerance, e.g. minus 12.5%, cofrac T rec 1 minus mil tol. Step 5, select a catalog schedule thickness T nom min. Step 6, verify actual net available. T net act equals T nom 1 minus mil tol minus CA minus A. Step 7, accept if T geek T. Mini quiz, test yourself with a quick quiz. 1. What does the E factor represent in thickness calculations? 2. Why do we add a corrosion allowance? If mil tolerance is 12.5%, how do you compute the minimum nominal thickness from T? 4. Which condition must be satisfied to accept a chosen nominal thickness? Practical task, calculator demo. To make this simple, I've prepared an Excel calculator. Inputs, P, D, S, E, Y, C, A, mil tolerance, mechanical allowance, and candidate nominal thickness. Outputs, net thickness T, required thickness T req, minimum nominal thickness T nom min, and OK not OK result. It also includes a worked example and a notes sheet you can print for training. File, ASME B31.3 thickness calculator.xlsx. Remember, this calculator is for practice. For real projects, always cross-check values against the latest ASME B31.3 edition and your project specs. Interview Q&A. Q. Why is the Y coefficient used? A. It accounts for material geometry effects in the hoop stress formula, especially at higher TD ratios. Q. How do you choose S, allowable stress? A. From ASME B31.3 table A1 for the material at design temperature. Where does mil tolerance come from? A. From product standards like ASME B36.10, seamless pipes typically allow minus 12.5%. Outro. And that's it. You now know how to calculate straight pipe thickness as per ASME B31.3, step by step with a ready-to-use calculator. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more engineering tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.